On September 27, 2023, officers were called to an airport after reports of a passenger creating a disruption near an active boarding gate. When officers arrived, airline staff pointed them toward a man who had already moved past the boarding area, despite being told he would not be allowed onto the flight. Officers quickly approached him on the jet bridge and instructed him to leave the area while they figured out what had happened. The passenger repeatedly argued that he had done nothing wrong and claimed airline employees were treating him unfairly. Officers, meanwhile, continued directing him away from the aircraft and toward a quieter area of the terminal so everyone could speak more clearly.
Where is he?
He somehow managed to make it down. We
All right.
can't stop him. Wait for
Excuse me, get out of the way, please.
Thank you.
Yo, let's go.
Great.
Him? Let's go. Come with me. Let's go. What are you doing? What are you doing? Let's go.
I'm doing nothing.
Get off the bridge. Let's go. You don't listen to people? Is that your problem? Come on, let's go.
Look,
Keep walking.
Look, wait.
Listen.
Wait.
We get to the end,
Wait.
we talk, all right?
Okay.
Let's go.
Can I talk?
No, you walk at the end. Walk now, we talk later. What's you got a problem listening to people?
I'm
Keep going. Keep walking. Let's go. They tell you you're not flying, you're not flying.
Why not?
Yeah.
They are
It's their right. Come on, keep going.
They are racist.
Okay, well,
They are
that's with them.
racist. They are racist. And I am
Come on,
wrong.
keep walking.
I'm wrong.
Keep walking.
They are racist. And I'm wrong.
If they tell you you're not flying, you're not flying. So you have to listen to them. How about that?
I'm
Let's
listening
go.
you.
Keep walking.
I'm listening to the cops. I'm listening to you, the police.
Well, you gotta listen to them too.
No, I don't have to listen to
Yeah,
them.
you do.
Because they
Yeah,
are
you
racist.
do, buddy. Come on, let's go.
Come on, man. Don't worry. Please.
Move.
No violence, all right?
Listen.
Don't make us be violent.
If they're telling you not to go on the plane, why don't you listen to them if they tell you that?
It's not up to you. It's up to them.
So they are racist and I'm wrong.
You're gonna sit over here and we're gonna have a nice long chat. That's what's gonna happen. Come sit over here. You have your ID?
What's wrong, sir?
Listen to you. You
What's
got your license?
wrong, sir?
You got your
Yes,
license?
it's true. I was.
Okay,
I
he
was
needs you- he just asked for your
vacation.
license.
So it's really necessary?
Yes.
They tell you you're not flying, you're not
It means you're not going to fly.
Once the scene settled slightly, airline employees explained to officers that the passenger had been yelling at gate agents for an extended period after delays earlier in the evening. According to staff, the situation escalated after the passenger continued approaching employees, recording them with his phone, and attempting to continue the confrontation even after being told he would not be flying that night. Bodycam footage showed officers repeatedly explaining that the airline had the authority to deny boarding and that continuing to push past employees would only make the situation worse. Despite this, the passenger continued insisting he should still be allowed onto the aircraft.
I'll tell you, huh?
I don't know what happened between
He's telling me. He's screaming me.
Whatever the situation
I tell
was
her,
between him and
what
her.
you gonna do? She
I was
said, "Tell
over
me nothing."
here,
That's what
like
happened.
gate 82, he came over this screaming,
Why are you?
screaming for no reason. I had no idea what happened.
I was
The captain was here at the gate. The captain heard him screaming, threatening, and the captain said he doesn't want him on the flight. So we boarded the flight. We told him, "You're not allowed. We can't let you on the
He was
flight."
supposed to go at 82.
No, he was supposed to go here, but I was working at 82.
Okay.
So the captain heard him screaming at me and screaming at him, and the captain said he doesn't want him on the flight.
She's telling me I discriminate her.
Just relax.
I have been discriminated.
you discriminated me.
What? I discriminate to you?
Why are you being so loud?
I have been
Why
discriminated,
are you
man.
being so loud?
We're
not deaf.
I'm completely.
We're trying to help you. We're trying to help them.
When you
Would you
Sir,
please
if
relax?
you want to help me, I need to take this plane.
You're not going
not
to get on that
taking it.
plane. You're not flying on that
Why?
plane.
And
You're just
honestly,
not.
after this, they're
So
probably
you
not going to
are-
let you
You're
fly
not
at
going to
all.
fly on a plane.
you're not
They told
having-
you no, no means no.
That's the rule.
No means no.
Sir,
They run the
I
show.
passed through the security.
It doesn't matter.
I did everything. I did nothing
It doesn't
wrong,
matter.
right?
It's
I
the
did
airline.
nothing
If they
wrong.
want to tell you not to fly, they can say it. It's their right.
No means no. Where's your ID at?
I need a translator, sir.
I'm sorry?
I need a translator.
Okay, a translator?
Yeah.
Licencia, por favor. You speak Spanish?
I need a translator, please.
You speak Spanish?
I can't talk with translation. With a lawyer.
You're hilarious. You listen to yourself.
What you telling to
something
me?
else, man.
They discriminate me.
No, they told you no, you're not going to fly. That
So
means
why they tell?
no?
Why
They
I
don't
can't
have
fly?
to have a reason.
They
It's a
don't-
private.
they don't need
It's
a
a private
reason?
company. No.
No,
it's
they don't
They can
need
tell you
reason.
anybody they
This
want.
is a kind of discrimination.
Well, I'm not here for that.
It's
I'm here because they told you no.
If
and
you
you
say
said-
no,
I'm
it's
here because they
discrimination.
told you no, and no means no. Do you understand? No means no. It doesn't mean maybe. It doesn't mean it's up to you, because it's not up to you. It's not up to you. It's a private business. They said no. That means no.
You have
That's
your
what it
license.
means.
Your license.
I'm going to get a
Boarding
translator
pass.
over here. I'm going
You
to get
have
a
a boarding
translator over
pass?
here,
What
okay?
about boarding pass?
Licencia, por favor. If he asks you that, we're going to have a problem.
I don't have a
Oh, I'm going to have a problem. I'm going to tell you. Yeah.
Hey.
Nothing.
It's pretty bad for you right now, and
You're
you're
being
making
ridiculous.
it worse. It's bad for you now, and you're making
Why
it
are you
worse.
so rude?
I'm not rude to you. I asked you a
You're
question. Give me your
ridiculous.
license.
What I am?
You're like a
boarding
2-year-old
pass?
kid.
You have your boarding pass?
Why am I?
I don't know why.
License or boarding pass?
Sir, I need a translator and I need.
Translator's not going to help you.
As officers continued speaking with airport staff, a gate supervisor explained that the situation began after the passenger became upset near the boarding area during flight delays earlier in the evening. According to employees, staff attempted to help him several times, but the interaction became more difficult after he continued returning to the gate and trying to access the boarding area after being told he would not be flying. Bodycam footage later showed officers listening as airline employees described the disruption near the scanner and aircraft entrance before requesting charges related to the incident.
So what happened?
A passenger originally came up to me after I was still working in Philadelphia. We were delayed 4.5 hours and I was trying to get him out of here. He came up to me, approached me here, and started yelling at me immediately that he was demanding I help him immediately. And I said, hey man, I'll try to help you, but I gotta see my Philadelphia passengers off first. And once I said that, he started screaming at me saying, I demand help right now. And then I told him, you need to respect me, you need to be quiet, and once I'm done with this fight, I'll come help you. I had to walk away from him at that point. Came back up here, he wasn't available to me, but I got called by my colleague that he had approached her, screaming at her, and with his camera recording her. And I went to go meet a plane, and he ran up to me to take a video or photo of me. I asked him not to, and he said, sir, if you keep this up, we're going to have to not allow you to fly with American Airlines. And then during the initial boarding, I stood behind my boarding agent to monitor and tell him I wanted to step to the side. So I said, sir, he stepped to the side, you're not going to be able to fly with us today. And he persisted to try to scan his boarding pass, so I put my hand on the scanner, and I tried to turn it to the side, and then he tried to have passengers come around him. He was still, when I did that, I physically got hit on my hand, because he was trying to access the scanner with my hand over it. He never did scan his boarding pass, but then he just went on down. And at that point, I figured I should get ahead of him and shut my secure door. And when I went to lock the door and I tried to shut the door, he ran through my arm, and I'm still kind of feeling the numbness in my fingers. So he actually physically hit me.
Do you want to press charges? You want to press charges for battery?
I think I do.
Okay, we can do that.
I don't know why this.
You have a clear problem with listening.
I'm on vacation,
You have a
sir.
very clear problem with listening.
I'm on vacation.
Okay, so what?
I'm not here to get a problem.
Well, you already are a problem, clearly. Why am I here talking to you? Let me see your boarding pass or your license.
I'm waiting.
You can wait all you want. It's not going to change anything.
You're making this a
You're like
lot
a 2-year-old.
worse and a
Don't.
lot harder than you have
You're like a 2-year-old. 2-year-old baby.
Why are you still telling me this?
Because you're acting like a baby.
I'm like a baby. What I did?
You think you're going to just walk onto the plane after they told you no. That's like a 2-year-old.
Why did we
They
tell
said
can,
no.
They can say whatever they
say
want.
no.
I say them. Call the cops.
No means
because
no.
I need to get out.
You're
No,
not.
you're not going on the plane.
You're not flying
You
today,
missed that
man.
flight.
Okay, thank
over
you very
with.
much.
No, not thank you very
You're
much.
done.
Thank you.
You're
Everybody's
welcome. You're welcome. We're here to help you.
Everybody saw what.
We're here to help you.
Sir, he's gonna go for battery. Hit him.
Oh, okay.
After speaking with airline staff, officers informed the passenger that he would need to leave the boarding area with them. Bodycam footage showed officers continuing to give instructions while guiding him away from the gate area as airport activity continued around them. The passenger continued asking questions about the situation while officers worked to move the process forward. A short time later, officers escorted him through the terminal while explaining what would happen next.
Perfect. All right, stand up, put your hands behind your back.
What?
You're being arrested for battery. Stand up and put your hands behind your back.
What happened, sir?
You're being arrested for battery.
What happened, sir?
Let's take this off.
Okay.
Here, let's take it off. Let's take it off.
Put your hand behind your back.
Let's take this back.
Don't put your hand behind your back.
Take it off real quick.
Your hand behind your back. That's all you got to do.
I got it. I got this.
I got your phone.
She's broken my arm.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'll put this.
Okay, stop.
Okay, I just want to take
Okay,
my.
this is what's going to happen.
Put
You're going to go to the ground.
I just want to. I don't know. I just put it here. All right?
You have to put your hand behind your back.
I got it. You're not
Okay,
listening.
okay.
No, it's not okay.
Okay, what do you want?
Hands behind your back.
I'm in the ground, man. You sure are.
Put your hand behind your back. Stop resisting and put your hand behind your back.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, sir. Help me! 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 Help me!
We're okay.
Help me!
We're okay.
Help me!
We're okay.
Oh, man, what are you doing, man? I'm on vacation, man. What are you doing, man?
I have a very hard time.
Okay. I'm releasing you when
Got it?
I ask you for no violence. Alright? Wait, it's too tight. It's too tight. It's too tight. Help me! Somebody help me! It's too tight.
Okay,
Too
relax.
tight.
Stop yelling.
Ah!
Move your hands.
Ah! Ah! It's too tight. Ah!
Wait a minute, I can fix it.
Stop
Still.
moving.
Help me!
Still.
Oh!
You got it again?
Terminal is going. It's
double locked
catching everything, man.
No.
Terminal is catching everything. What are you doing, man?
I'm trying to
I
fix
know what of violence, right? I asked for a lawyer. I asked for a lawyer. Just that.
Stop yelling.
I asked for a lawyer.
Stop
I
yelling.
can't fix it while you're
Why are
yelling.
you doing this, sir?
I can't get to it.
We should
Oh,
stand them up.
it's
really.
too.
You wanna
It's
stand
too
up?
tight, man. What are you doing? It's too
There
tight.
you go.
Ah!
It's good. It's good. Now you gonna stand up or what? Stop yelling.
Ah! Help me!
You're getting arrested, man. Stop making it a big deal.
Why am I arrested, man? Why am I arrested? I did
Double
nothing,
lock
man.
it.
You are a police guy. You look like television. You are like television. Can I get my phone and put in my bag, please?
No.
Just that.
No.
Just that's what I'm asking for.
Sure, you need to stop resisting. You're still
I'm
resisting.
not resisting,
Oh, yes,
man.
you are.
I said no violence. I
Yes, you
just
are.
want to take my phone and put in my bag, please, sir.
Walk that way.
What are you doing? My bag, my
being
bag.
searched.
I've been searching all the time here. What's it? Put my phone in the bag, please. I will lost it. So you are the officer. Why you did that?
You're not listening. You're having a very hard time listening.
But I'm not listening, sir. I'm listening all the time.
You resisted the entire time.
I don't resist. I just
now you
want
gotta
to take
resist
it up
with
the phone
violence now.
and put it in the
See my
bag.
hand? That's from you.
Walk that way.
Hey, sir.
Stop yelling. Stop.
What did you
Grow
say
up.
to hurt them?
Come on.
You really are.
Who's my victim?
I'll be right back with all that paper.
Do the job of the society, man.
All you were gonna do is get rebooked, and you made it completely worse.
They get what they want. Just that.
No, then no one wanted this, buddy.
You could go on, and you thought you could just get right on it. That's what's really dumb.
I say, call the cop.
It's like a 2-year-old.
I say, just call the
You don't call
cop.
the shots.
The cops.
They do.
Yeah,
They're the boss.
I told them.
They're the
My man,
boss.
they could tell anyone not to fly. They could tell me if they don't want me to fly, all right?
Just don't get it.
I just would like to know what they tell you guys.
You don't get to ask us questions if you ask for a lawyer. You're done.
Because
Okay? Because you're done.
so severe attitude.
Just one person? Sarge? Just one person? Okay.
Okay, you can. I don't go anywhere, man. Okay, you can let me.
You don't
It's
want to-
unnecessary. I don't go anywhere.
You resisted up until 2
I
seconds
don't
ago.
resist, sir.
I'm sure you did.
Well, of course not. The camera
You know what
says
no
it.
means? No means
The
no.
camera says
No means
everything.
no. Oh, it's all on here. Absolutely.
Yes,
You're
sir.
right.
I did resist.
When did you go to
When
court?
he said,
No
come
more questions. You
on
asked
out,
me.
Buddy, I say
get
put your
off.
hands behind your back. It doesn't mean you start reaching for stuff when you say put your hands behind your back. Is that what that means? Does that
Yes,
mean
sir.
you start reaching
I
for
was
stuff?
just trying
It
to,
was fine.
to
You
put the
didn't have
phone
to do it, all right?
on my bag. Just that. I just want to know what I may have been accused. Just that.
You touched him.
Lady, could you tell me what I done?
Battery.
Battery? Battery. What is it?
Means you touched somebody that you shouldn't have.
I touched somebody.
Yes, sir.
So I didn't,
I mean,
right? And the camera will
Yeah,
show
I mean-
it.
Yes, sir.
I can go with you and do the ECRA. I need info. That's all. So I don't know how you want to do it.
So I should watch what you're doing. You are messing my things, and I
mind your business.
not in my presence. Not in my presence.
Want to go on the other side?
You should mess my things in my
there's
presence.
somebody on the other
The
side.
camera is
They're moving right now.
filming. All right.
Everything's
all
on
video.
camera. Everything's on camera. Look, his
You
camera is
need
on,
to,
buddy.
You need to mess my things in my.
As the situation wrapped up, officers continued guiding the passenger through the final steps of the response while airport staff resumed normal activity around the gate area. Bodycam footage later showed travelers moving through the terminal again as employees continued assisting passengers and preparing the next flight operations. Police later confirmed the incident resulted in several charges connected to the disturbance at the airport.
I don't have.
You don't need to.
Come on.
You don't.
Everything's recorded.
This just with a warning. You have a warning. You have a warning.
I don't need one. You're arrested.
Okay, you don't need.
All right, we're going the other side. We're going in the car, all right?
Okay.
Everything's recorded, my friend. Everything.
I'm
The
afraid.
whole encounter.
I will weigh you all the time.
My man,
Could
you're
you take it off
No, we're not taking it off. You have to ride with
in
it.
the front?
Nope. You wanna go the other side and put this on?
Yeah. No.
If you need to get with Jake, you should have the victim's information.
You want me to go with Garrett for the transport? Yeah. All right. I'll call him if anything.
You're taking like
So you got battery and you got resistant violence.
Yeah.
So he resisted from the second we tried to put handcuffs
Is there
on.
any type of charge for going on the jet bridge when you shouldn't? Nah.
It's not like it's
Yeah, nah.
It's kind of.
I figured that. All right.
Just battery and resisting.
Okay.